What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create a Facebook page. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, to create this Facebook page, you can access this Facebook, let's say from your PC or from the smartphone. And here I will access it or create it from my app in my Android phone. And you can start to do the login with your Facebook account. And this will be the home page of the Facebook. And after that, you can go to this menu, which is in the three stripes over here, and you'll see the several tools or several menu again or option, and after that you can click this see more, and if you scroll down you will find the pages that has the flag button or flag symbol. You can click this anyway, and this will be the section that give you, let's say, the recently visited page or maybe the invitees and also the like pages and also create. And how to create this one, you can click this create in this section, and after that you can start to choose which option that is for you. You can create it for the personal or the professional, and for example I will choose the professional over here, and for example I will choose the name would be better of me, and after that you can continue to click next. Basically, if you would like to create this Facebook page, you can simply follow the instruction, and after that for this category, for example I will choose it daily if it exists, or I will change it to become live. And for example I will choose this category language cool, and you can also add more categories over here and continue to click create, and kindly wait for the next section. And after that it will bring you into this section such as the general context and also the location and hours, and for example is dedicated to show the learn language learning process. And for the contact, you can put it over here and your email or phone number. And for the location, you can also put it here too. And for example, you can choose the hours, which one do you usually available. And for example, I will choose the standard hours. For example, I will choose it to be Monday. You can take it. And I will adjust the time like this. And after that you can continue to click done, and the change gonna be saved, and continue to click next. And after that you can put your photo or your profile, and continue to click next, and you can also click next again. So you can also activate this section about the marketing and promotional emails about your page. So if you would like to have the information about the Meta products and services that can help you to, let's say, promote your page, you can activate it. And if you need your page get the notification, you can also activate it too. And for example, I will activate this toggle and continue to click done. And after that, it will switch into your Facebook page. And there you have it, that this Facebook page is already made. For example, I will continue. And finally, this Facebook page is ready to use. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to create your own Facebook page. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.